So welcome to the Affiliate Marketing Masterclass, guys. And today we will be talking about affiliate marketing. We are going to talk about all the basics of affiliate marketing. This is going to be a 1 hour webinar, and this is going to be extremely practical oriented. And if there is any support related issues, please do not put it here. Please go ahead and mail support@pixeltrack.com. Anup Singla, I am talking to you. So support@pixeltrack.com is our support email ID. So please go ahead and mail there if you need anything. So today in the affiliate marketing masterclass, we are going to learn about a bunch of things. And this is not a sales pitch webinar. This is a value webinar where I will be teaching about affiliate marketing to you guys. And towards the end, I will also be mentioning about the courses that I have, but that is completely optional for the people who are attending for the first time. All right. So now let's talk about affiliate marketing, and let's start from scratch. I'm going to develop the mind map from scratch, and I'm going to build it out with you. And I want a lot of interaction in this class, and I want to know what you think about affiliate marketing. All right. So, what is affiliate marketing? So let's go ahead and talk about what is affiliate marketing. Can you go ahead and put it in the chat box, whatever you think? What do you think is affiliate marketing? So marketing a third-party product. You are an intermediate, right? It's referral marketing, and you get commission on sales for selling others' products, right? So you are going to be the one, selling. You get the customers and do the sale. So you are like a sales agent, right? You are like a sales agent and a marketing agent. So a marketing plus sales agent. And you can also be an influencer who can convince others to buy. Marketing plus sales agent, right? So now, why do we need to do affiliate marketing? Why affiliate marketing? Can you tell me why affiliate marketing? Why do you need to, take affiliate marketing seriously? Why we should take affiliate marketing seriously? We can earn commissions. No capital required. And it's a good way to monetize your blog, personal brand. You are helping your tribe with recommendations. Low risk, very important. There is no low risk. You can work from home and you can earn passive income. Low risk is, and no need to have product or support. Agreed? Anything else? Anything else you can think of? There is no high risk in this. Some people are saying there is no there is risk. No, and no services to be provided, and it's performance based. And you can build your own brand. All right, so now we have kind of figured out why affiliate marketing, right? So now let's talk about how does affiliate marketing work. work in the digital space? Do you know how affiliate marketing works in the digital space? Can you tell me? You can earn per click or you can earn per sale. And forget about how you drive traffic to the affiliate offers. You know, we will, how to promote affiliate offers, we will look at it later, but how does it work? Tracking is done via cookies, and there are private affiliate programs, and there are affiliate networks. Affiliate networks are also there, right? Anything else? How does affiliate marketing work in the digital space? Tracking is done via cookies or payment information. Cookies is basically a pixel that is placed on a site, like a tracking pixel, and that's how it works. So how to promote affiliate offers? You know, how do you choose affiliate offers? Can you tell me how will you choose affiliate offers? You will choose an affiliate offers based on your niche, based on the product reviews, based on trends, based on brand of the product, based on the quality, product reviews, based on country, based on the commission you will be earning. Yes, based on the commission you will be earning. So these are the different ways to choose affiliate offers, right? And this is not MLM. This is not like Amway. This is just like single referral. This is not like multi-level marketing or anything. And based on trends, based on demand and trends, right? So some people are thinking, is affiliate marketing like MLM? No. And based on payout structure. Saloni, what's your problem? I think it's good enough. So based on payout structure, whether it can be recurring or it can be one-time payout. All right, so how do you choose affiliate offers? And these are all the topics we have covered. How do you choose affiliate offers? How does affiliate marketing work in the digital space? So let's look at some of the top affiliate networks. Can you tell me what are the top affiliate networks that you have learned about? You have Amazon, you have JVZoo, you have ShareASale, you have ClickBank, you have Impact, you have Commission Junction, which is CJ. I wouldn't say Flipkart has a good affiliate program. I don't like Flipkart's affiliate program. They don't pay much. And V Commission. And then you have, so private affiliate programs, I will not put it here. Then you have Max Bounty. Some people are saying Q-Links. I'm not sure about that, but I will have a look at Q-Links as well. And then we can say Affiliate Today. So affiliatetoday.com, but affiliatetoday.com is not launched. That is something that I will launch. That is going to be my future product. All right. So these are the top affiliate networks that we have heard about. All right. So thank you guys. Some people are saying thank you, and thanks a lot for that. Certificate nahi milega aaj. Okay, a lot of people are asking for certificate. You won't get certificate. I'm sorry. This is not a certificate masterclass. You can't do anything with an affiliate marketing certificate. Affiliate marketing certificate is going to be useless because we are focusing on learning to become affiliate, so that we don't need certificates. We don't need someone else to go ahead and have a judgment about it. All right. So now, how do you choose affiliate offers? How does affiliate marketing work in the digital space? Why affiliate marketing? What is affiliate marketing? Now let's talk about how to promote affiliate offers. All right. So how will you promote affiliate offers? Do you have an idea? You can do via blogging, which is the #1 method. Then you can do via social media, but you can drive traffic only to blogs. All right. You can drive traffic only to blogs. You cannot do directly. So what happens is that, you can promote via social media, you can promote via paid ads, you can promote via email marketing, can promote via social media में आ जाएगा. You have Facebook, Telegram, WhatsApp. All right. So all this will be available. So give me one moment. So what else can we do? So LinkedIn we have. Then we have Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, Quora. So I would recommend that, YouTube, very important. YouTube is, very important. So blogging is important because you have to write a review. Without writing a review, you will not be able to go ahead and then you have Reddit and sell the product and convince them, and drive traffic to blog from other traffic sources, right? You have to drive traffic to the blog from other traffic sources, or private community. Private community is a very big thing, right? You can do that via social media, private community, or I can just put it here. You can do it via private community. Then you can use SEO to drive traffic. Then you can use content marketing. So I recommend that you have your own website because, why blogging? Because drive traffic from, other traffic sources, because direct links are not allowed. I will show you some examples of this where I will be showing that, hey, if you go ahead and take the link and try to directly promote it on other networks, then it will get blocked. Social media accounts will get blocked, paid ads will not run. Then you will not be able to send the emails like, Gmail and all the other. Karthik Mani, what's your problem? Why are you sharing your YouTube channel link here? And it's not even going to everyone. So, you have email marketing, you have SEO is directly for blog, and then you can tap into SEO traffic. So tap into SEO traffic, drive traffic from other traffic sources, because direct links are not allowed in most of the cases, right? Like for example, if you take an affiliate link and try to run ads with it directly, then it will not run, right? So that is why it is very important, right? Give me one moment. So now there are also a lot of affiliate marketing tools, right? We have a lot of affiliate marketing tools. So can you tell me about what are the affiliate marketing tools? Do you know about affiliate marketing tools? Hope my volume is good. All right, you have blogging. Then you have Ahrefs for SEO. Then you have, first let's talk about publishing tools. You have publishing tools. So first let's talk about publishing tools. Blog publishing tools. So first let's talk about that. So blog publishing tools may you have WordPress, and that's pretty much it. Then you have Wix. Then you have Medium. So we will not go beyond that, because that's pretty much it. So publishing tools may we will also include, landing page tools like Instapage. Then you have blogging tools. So you have blogging tools, and then you have landing page tools, right? So I will share this mind map, guys, don't worry. So what are the different landing page tools? Can you tell me? Unbounce, Instapage, ClickFunnels, you have MailChimp, you have ConvertKit, then you have what else? GetResponse, ActiveCampaign does not help you publish things. And then you have blogging tools. So that's pretty much it, right? So publishing tools, these are the things that are available. And then you have email marketing tools. Then you have click tracking tools, right? So what are the click tracking tools? Can you tell me? You have ClickMagick, you have Bitly, you have Volume, anything else you can think of? Google Genius, Rebrandly. All right, so that's enough. Any other tools you can think of? When it comes to affiliate marketing tools, what other tools do you need? Okay, so now enough of this. So you need SEO tools, niche research tools. You need SEO tools. So SEO tools, I would say you have Ahrefs, and then you have keywords everywhere. You have SEMrush, Ubersuggest. You have Google Trends. You have Google Search Console. Or let's say niche research tools, okay? Niche research tools. Niche research and SEO tools. All right, so this is a good enough list for now. Do you want to expand on this? You have answered the public. All right, so now I will go ahead and show you. Okay, this is like a pretty long mind map. I will go ahead and give you a clear PDF of this, which you can download. But can you think of any other affiliate marketing tools that we need to include? So we have social media research tools, niche research tools. May you will have BuzzSumo, right? And keywordtool.io, social examiner, Quora. All right, so this is enough, guys. This is enough. So now we have got like a pretty good idea about the affiliate marketing tools. And now for people who don't have any idea about affiliate marketing, let me go ahead and show you a very simple outline and a very simple method on how you can do affiliate marketing. So this is affiliate marketing masterclass. Actually, Flippa is a great research tool. Thanks, Sagar. Flippa is a fantastic research tool. You will be able to see what are all the affiliate sites that are being sold there. And all the social media tools again will also come under affiliate tools. So how many of you like this mind map? Right? Don't do hands, raise hands. Don't do raise hands. Please don't do raise hands. So, we have basically kind of created like an outline of what affiliate marketing involves. And how to promote affiliate offers. We have talked about all these blogging, social media, content marketing, paid ads, email marketing, and everything. And this is going to be the most important thing. In fact, affiliate marketing tools will come before this, how to promote affiliate offers, because first you need the tools and then you promote it, right? So top affiliate networks which you need and all these things. So private community is basically like, I have a private community called Mighty Networks. Let me go ahead and show my private community. So this is my private community, guys. In my private community, we have like a lot of discussions inside my private community. So what I will do is that I will go ahead and create a new group for affiliate marketing. All right. So this is like a social media, but my own social media. So I will create a new group called affiliate marketing group. Affiliate marketing tribe. Learn affiliate marketing here. All right. And this will be a private group, or I can say this will be like a public group. So affiliate marketing tribe. So when I create my affiliate marketing mastery, then I will probably, create this. So invite people to join. So now I will go ahead and invite you. So maybe you want to take a moment and sign up here. All right. So I'm giving you the link here. So please go ahead and sign up. Take like 2 minutes. And here within this group, I will be sharing a lot of stuff with you. Let me know once you have signed up. Just sign up and then just say done in the chat box if you have signed up. Oh, wow. We already have 119 members who have signed up. So welcome to my tribe, guys. Thanks a lot for joining. And here I can go ahead and post a welcome note. All right. So already we have Kushal Patel who has said hi. So welcome to the affiliate marketing tribe. Click on post. So you can go ahead and respond to this. Let's see if we can get the permalink of this post. Save post, mute post, add this to. Yes, so this is the permalink of this post. So go ahead and say hi here. Wow, 454 members already. Awesome, guys. Thanks a lot for joining. So if I go into discovery or if I go into activity feed, we will be able to see all the latest posts that are happening here. And the rules of the group, please do not spam. Please do not post anything that is self-promoting. Please do not post any affiliate links. If you do that, then your account will get banned. So please remember that. All right. In fact, now I will go ahead and make this group a private group. So this is how a private group will work. Make it private. Click on save. Only hosts and moderators can invite. All right. So done. Isn't that amazing? All right. So this is how a private group will work. All right. This is how a private group will work. And now let's go ahead and, so it's called Mighty Network. Ravi Sharma, it's called Mighty Network. You can download the Mighty Network app from the Play Store or App Store. All right. Fantastic. So for people who do not get the link to join it, I will give you the link on email. Don't worry about it. So now I would like to go ahead and show you, some of the affiliate promotions I did recently and how much I made with those affiliate promotions. All right. So here you can see that I have written a review about an email marketing tool called SendFox. So you might have got link to this already. So you can go ahead and visit this blog post if you want. And if you notice it, Jyoti Swaroop, please mail support@pixeltrack.com. All right. So I'm sharing the link. If you go ahead and look at digitaldeepak.com/sendfox, go ahead and visit that link. You will see that I have written a review about this email marketing tool called SendFox. And what you can do is that if you click on this particular link, you will be able to see that it redirects to a deal here. So it says at $49 for lifetime, you will be able to send unlimited emails for free. And this tool is called SendFox. So now, if I refer a customer, let's say I have shared the link with you. If you go ahead and click it, and if you go ahead and sign up, how much do you think I will get as a commission for this particular sale? %30, 10%, 20%, $5, 20%, 30%. This is what people are saying. But would you believe if I told you that I get 100% commission? What do you think? So there is a 100% commission affiliate program. So I will sign in into my impact.com account, and they are giving 100% because if I refer a new customer to AppSimo, this particular customer might buy more things in the future, right? And a lot of people are thinking it's not possible, but I will go ahead and show you. I will go to reports. I will go to performance campaign. It is for a sale, not for a click. It is for a sale. So I will go into performance. I will go to last month. All right. If I go into last month, do you see how much I have made with AppSumo? So 100% affiliate commission capped at $49. So $49 is the maximum. So some people will end up buying for $100 or $200. I will not get more than that, but only $49 I will get. And here you can see AppSumo, 4,946, 4,943 clicks I have driven. Yes, it is just from SendFox. And here you can see I have made 64 sales. So 64 into approximately 3,000 each. But sometimes it's a little bit less. I don't know the exact amount here, but you can see that I have made 1,44,325 just from AppSumo last month. And Impact.com is an affiliate network. Yes, Impact.com is an affiliate network. Isn't this amazing to have made 1,44,000 from the sale? So here you can see HostGator I have promoted, and I have made 50,000 rupees from HostGator. In fact, even if people go ahead and buy, Mohan Ram is so smart, he is sharing his SEM Rush link in the chat box. So, of course, this is not as easy as it seems, because I already have a following for Digital Deepak, and a lot of people go ahead and, follow me. And that is why I have been able to make this sales. And I also did a webinar where I sold it on a webinar. I did a webinar just for SendFox and I sold it on the webinar. So there are different ways to go ahead and sell, affiliate offers, right? There are different ways to go ahead and sell affiliate offers. And that is one more technique that you can follow to sell affiliate offers. You can sell it via webinars. You can sell it via webinars. You can invite people for a webinar and then you can sell it there. All right. So, this is how Impact.com has helped me make 2 lakhs last month just with affiliate marketing. Isn't this cool? Just type cool in the chat box if you think this is cool. And now I will show you another affiliate network, CJ.com. So CJ.com is another affiliate network I have. And I will log in into CJ.com. And I will show you the amount of money I have just made with CJ.com. And you know that I also promote other people's products via private webinars. And the other people's products that I promote via webinars, they give me a commission, right? So what you need to do first is that you need to first build an audience, right? How to promote affiliate offers. You need to first build an audience. So that is the best way to do, build an audience first via blogging. And you need to build an audience and then you need to go ahead and promote it to this audience. So here you can see $462 balance. I will go to payment details. And guys, this is going to take time. You have to go ahead and build an audience. You have to go ahead and build a community. You need to go ahead and do SEO. And that is why in my Digital Deepak internship program, I teach about niche research. I teach about SEO. I teach about content marketing. I teach about blogging and everything. But this webinar is just to show you the possibility of what can be done. All right, you understand? This is just to show you the possibility of what can be done. And here you can see that I have been promoting, Bluehost. So here you can see $270 from Bluehost, 3 sales. And how much is $270? It's quite a lot. I have also been promoting SiteGround. So I will go ahead and show you how much I have made with SiteGround so far. So batch 5 will probably start by the end of this month. All right, so some of my websites are pending verification, so I cannot show you SiteGround right now. But there are a lot of other affiliate networks where I have started making money. All right. And this is as simple as that, guys. You have an affiliate network, you promote their offers, and you start making money by these offers, right? So in the internship program, you will learn all that, which will start around the end of August for batch 6, batch 5, batch 4 is already running. So what else do you think that you want to learn when it comes to affiliate marketing? You need to really focus on blogging, In fact, I will go ahead and put blogging as a separate section here. So what I'm going to put is that I'm going to put blogging as a separate section. And blogging for affiliate marketing. Makes sense? Tap into SEO, build an audience first, tap into SEO traffic, write reviews of your products, how to write the review, how to choose it, everything will be there. And drive traffic from other traffic sources to the blog. And there are a lot of things when it comes to affiliate marketing and blogging in affiliate marketing. So these are the different modules that will be involved if at all I'm teaching affiliate marketing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what I will do is that I will go ahead and show you how to do keyword research, using Ahrefs quickly, so that you can understand how you can do it for Ahrefs, how you can do SEO for your blog. All right, so I will go ahead and show you. And there are a lot of people who are promoting affiliate programs like Beresh. Like for example, if you want to promote SEMrush as an affiliate, then you will be able to promote it. Like for example, let's look at masterblogging.com. Masterblogging.com is so my internship program includes a week on affiliate marketing. Yes. So masterblogging.com, blogging for massive profit. So this is my friend's site. And here you can see what are all the top pages that he is promoting. If I go into top pages, then you can see that he is promoting Grammarly discount. So let me go ahead and search for Grammarly discount and let's see if he shows up. So this is competitor research tool. And you also need to do competitor research, which is very important when it comes to affiliate marketing, which is something that I forgot to add, right? So where is affiliate marketing masterclass? You need to do competitor research. So here, how to choose affiliate offers. You can do competitor research. How can we forget about that? Competitor research. All right. So now you can see that this person is promoting affiliate offers via Grammarly. And if I go and search for Grammarly discount, you can see that Grammarly discount 2020, 25% off on all plans. This is ranking on the second place. So if I click on it, here you can see that he is promoting Grammarly discount and he has written a review of Grammarly. And this is how you go and get a discount. And you can see there are 60 comments. So if someone goes ahead, clicks on Grammarly and purchases Grammarly, then he would go ahead and get a commission. So I think he is promoting it via Share a Sale. So Share a Sale is the network where you will be getting a lot of affiliate offers like Grammarly. And then let's look at what are the other pages he is ranking for. SEMrush alternative. So he is ranking for SEMrush alternative. So 10 tested SEMrush alternatives of 2020. And here you can see he is ranking for this also. and he has written articles about SEMrush. And then you can see there are more pages. So this is how you reverse engineer whatever you need to do. So, the market is pretty big. A lot of people can coexist. And here you can see that he has, 2.27K referring domains, 712K backlinks, and he has ranking for 12.7K organic keywords, and his traffic value is $3,600. So that's what he is doing. And I'm also planning to invite Ankit Singla for one of the webinars with me. So if you go to digitaldeepak.com, then you will be able to see, what is my referring domains, what is my domain authority, and you can see the amount of referring domains has been going up for me also. But if you take a site like backlinko.com, you will be able to see that he has a domain authority of 88 and he has 25,000 referring domains. And referring domains is basically the different amount of domains which is linking to your site. And he is ranking for this keyword called skyscraper technique because that is a technique that he has developed. And 200 ranking factors. And he is also ranking for that. So 200 ranking factors of Google. So Backlinko is ranking first. Skyscraper technique. He is ranking first for that also. And HubSpot is there, created by Backlinko's brilliant team. So this is how you do SEO. And SEO is a deep concept in itself. And I also teach SEO within my digital marketing internship program. All right, so that's pretty much it. These are the things that I wanted to cover when it comes to affiliate marketing. And I hope you got a fair idea about affiliate marketing. Yes, in today's webinar. So there is a lot of things to cover, guys. I will not be able to cover each and everything. And now what I would like to quickly request you is that go ahead and just give me a comment. I will give you my Twitter link. So what did you learn today in the affiliate marketing masterclass? I would like to ask you a question and I would like to go ahead and put your comments here. I will go ahead and give you the outline. Don't worry about it, but I would like to get your feedback. And you can go and put your comments here on this particular link. And after you put your comment, then I would like to see what comments you have. And you can just, put it there. All right. So now I would like to go ahead and tell you about the courses that I have. So I have launched a lot of digital marketing courses. These courses are mastery courses, and these courses are self-serve. You can go ahead and learn it yourself. And I have SEO mastery, digital marketing, Facebook ads, 100-day blogging course, affiliate marketing, email marketing. Syed Abdul, I will send you the mind map on email. Please don't keep copy pasting the same question again and again. Then I have analytics mastery, product launch, social media mastery, content marketing mastery, Zapier, tools mastery. And how many of you want to get all my courses at one single price? It has Google ads, Facebook ads, everything that you need. There is an affiliate marketing course as well. And pretty much everything you need when it comes to digital marketing, lead generation, everything you will be able to learn. There are two offers that I have. One is called the Digital Marketing Mastery Bundle, which you can find at digitalmarketingmastery.in. And here you will be able to see these are all the courses that I have. All right, so the Digital Marketing Mastery Bundle has all the courses except Lead Generation Mastery course, which is the most recent course I have launched. So SEO Mastery, Google Ads Mastery, Facebook Ads Mastery, Email Marketing Mastery, Social Media, Analytics Mastery, Affiliate Marketing, Content Marketing, Zapier. So all this together, total cost of all the 11 courses and 100-day blogging course, everything will cost you how much? 30,000 rupees. That is the original cost of this product. But would you like to get an offer today that you can get all these courses at a huge discount? Just type yes in the chat box if you would like to get all my courses at a huge discount today. Just for today, for the attendees of this webinar. Yes, and you will get lifetime access to all these courses. So it's going to be lifetime access. Yes, these are advanced courses. You will get lifetime access to all these courses, and you will also get lifetime updates to all these courses. So that is how these courses are designed. And I'm going to give you an excellent offer today, which you have never seen before. The total cost of this is going to be, let me show you the price. So Digital Marketing Mastery Bundle Pro, this is the course. And how much do you think? All the videos are recorded videos. There is more than 100 hours of videos. Arnav, please mail support@pixeltrack.com for that. All right, Sanjay, Ravi, you seem to have guessed it right. So all the courses will be updated from time to time, and the maximum time that you will see that the course is like that is for 2 years. So every 2 years to 3 years, we will be updating. So I will go ahead and reveal the price to you. The price for all the courses today is just 4,999, and you will get my Digital Marketing Mastery Bundle Pro with all the courses at a one-time price. So how many of you want to go ahead and get this? Just type I want in the chat box. I will share the payment link with you. Fantastic. So here, these courses are very in-depth, and these courses cover the fundamentals also, and it will also be, there will also be a lot of practical steps in it in terms of showing you how to use different tools and everything. So whoever wants to take, you can take it only in today's webinar at 4,999, and this offer is only available for the next 15 minutes. So people, if you have already got my other offers like All Access Pass, you don't need to get this because this is included in that. So thank you, Shubhankar Roy. So I have given you the link, and this particular offer is available for the next 15 minutes. So I will put a 15 minutes countdown, and then I will go ahead and remove the offer. So you have 15 minutes until you can get all these courses. And if you have any questions, you can let me know. So what is the total duration of all the courses? Jay Sahu is asking. The total duration of all the videos that I have in these courses is more than 100 hours. 100 hours of total videos are available. Blogging course is alone 25 hours. So you can go ahead and click purchase. You can get it. Yogesh, yes. So for people who want a GST invoice, we will also be able to provide you with a GST invoice, and this is inclusive of 18% GST, which means I'm getting only around 4,000 rupees is GST. So these courses are advanced courses, and for people who are interested in my internship program, that is like an exercise program, and that is where you will do exercises and everything. But if you get this, it will also be helpful for your internship. And these are self-serve courses. You will log in into the system and you will go through all the courses. That's how these courses will work. All right, so if you have gone ahead and made a purchase of this course, just type enrolled in the chat box. And if you already have all my courses, then you can leave the webinar. Today's webinar is over, and I will go ahead and share the mind map with you on the email. So if you already have some of the courses in it, you can still go ahead and buy, because this is like an excellent offer. And now I will stop the recording.